Yo, what's going on? Hey, Darin here at the station, and we train a couple high school athletes, Trevor and Nick. These guys are sophomores playing football, very competitive at Lincoln Way East and Mount Carmel. These guys are badass. So anyway, I put them through a leg workout. We slowed things down, lightened up the weight so I could hopefully teach them a couple things to where they could make more progress and stay safer. So I had them warm up. And we slowed the repetition speed down. We did 3 exercises, tweaked the techniques a little bit. And during the techniques, you guys said it felt a little awkward because you weren't used to it, but you sort of knew what you were doing before was causing some knee problems and some joint problems, right?
Yeah, feeling a lot better than I have in previous workouts, and it's a lot better feeling.
You can tell. These guys, no offense, I was there too. You're going to pound heavy weight. You're going to take some pre-workout. And you're going to listen to rock music, and you're just going to go for being stronger. And they probably won't even notice if they hurt themselves, hopefully, in their high school career, but it shows up later in their life. So especially on squats and legs, you could really hurt yourself. So what else we did was we slowed down at the end, and we did some basic hamstring, glute, quad stretching to start the recovery process. Well, let's back up. After an intense set of legs, what did we do and how did it feel? We walked it on a treadmill, slowed their breathing down. How did that feel?
It felt great. It felt like my legs were getting better blood flow and felt like I was getting a better workout.
It felt like the next set you could be a little bit more ready for it.
I felt like I was more energized for the next set.
That's good. That's a great way to put it. All right, so that was in the middle of the workout. Now at the end of the workout, we stretched their hamstrings and glutes and quads, and we big breath in. And we exhaled and relaxed into the stretch for about 4 or 5 seconds, 2 or 3 times. Had you guys ever done much of that, and how did that feel?
No, we haven't before, and it feels a lot better. It feels like my muscles are ready to grow again and repair easier.
And so these guys got big goals, man. They're not playing in other sports. Nick wants to gain how many pounds this offseason?
35 pounds.
35 pounds. And right now, what's your stature now,
6'3", 200 pounds.
Jesus Christ. Excuse my language. 6'3", 200. That means going in your junior year will be 6'3", 230 is your goal.
Yeah.
All right, but we want to put on good weight, and we got some we got some instructions to do that. It's gonna cost mom and dad quite a bit of money and food. So your goal is to put on how many pounds?
I'm trying to gain 30.
30. Okay. You're about 6'2".
I'm about 6'2", 175.
Nice. So what position you play?
I'm gonna play linebacker next year.
Gonna play linebacker.
Yes.
Cool. And you're playing what?
Defensive end or offensive tackle.
There you go. All right. So we'll put the lookout on these guys. Nick Fuji.
Yeah.
And Trevor. Starts.
Yes.
STARTZ. Starts. No K with a T. So keep an eye on these guys. Let's see. What else did we do at the end? We did some foam rolling, right? Use the foam roller, rolling on those quads and the IT bands. What did that feel like?
Felt great.
Legs feel amazing.
Yeah. Amazing in what way?
Really they feel more loose now. They don't feel as tight after the workout.
So you're leaving the workout sort of feeling good.
Yes.
So it starts the recovery process. After intense sets, we walk it on the treadmill. We stretch out and we do the foam roll like we talked about. So what's the next step in recovery so you guys can reach your big goals this year?
Gotta eat.
Go home, eat a bunch of carbs, a bunch of protein, and then later, about an hour later, eat a big meal.
There you go. So the prescription, right now, eat 30, 40 grams of powdered protein and a banana and a piece of bread. So fast release food that's already pre-digested with no fat in it. So we don't have any fat in there. But the banana is the carb and a piece of bread. Everyone's a little different, but that should get these guys pretty close to, you got to start that fuel recovery to replace the energy reserves they tore down, to start replace the amino acids they tore down immediately. And then within an hour, that meal's burn up. So then you can eat mama's home cook and eat some chicken and some rice. Try to get some veggies in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Any takeaways just to end the video? That's a lot of information to help guys sort of make better gains. Maybe we shouldn't tell these guys because then they're your competitors and then they're going to grow just like you guys. You think you still take them?
Yeah.
Yeah? Word on the street is Trevor, freshman year at what high school? Mount Carmel. And where they box, what's it called? Fight night. He beat a junior. Did you knock him out?
No.
Knock him down?
Get in the standing 8 count.
Standing 8 count. So a freshman beat a junior. So this guy's word on the street is he's pretty badass. So we'll see. So anyway, hey, that's our little spin on recovery from workouts. Whether you're a football player or not, the techniques still apply to you. I use the same techniques for my clients that aren't gym rats that just want to get healthier. It's the same thing. We're burning the fat off by building the muscle up, okay? And you won't gain 30 or 40 pounds like these guys. That's like an extra job paying for that kind of food. So anyway, thanks guys. It was fun.
Thank you.
All right, adios. Any questions, comments below? We'll chat it out. Adios. Sign up for the YouTube channel and hit the little bell over there so you're notified when we put out future videos. Are you guys signing up?
Yeah.
You sure? All right, if I don't see you on there, I'm going to come looking for you.
All right.
Okay, adios.